Hey everyone, in this video we will compare TrendSpider and TradingView. TrendSpider versus TradingView are powerful charting and technical analysis platforms. TrendSpider provides advanced automated technical analysis that significantly enhances trading efficiency. The platform's smart charts and dynamic alerts help traders make quicker and informed decisions. Broker integration options are limited, which may hinder real-time trading. Its pricing is relatively high, which could deter hobbyist traders. TradingView is a website and app where you can see stock, crypto, and forex price charts in real time. It helps you understand when to buy or sell by showing patterns and indicators on the charts. It's easy for beginners but powerful enough for pros. Customer support can be slow or limited for free users. The mobile app is good but less powerful than the desktop or web version. Overall, TradingView is best for manual trading and community, while TrendSpider is best for automation and backtesting. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.